in our lifetime on this planet. What together we can do, north and south, east and west, in all corners of the earth.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll
There you go, little look at the campsite. You'll be able to see the size of the pitches. Some are under the trees. We could have one like us that's in the right on the river edge. There's a couple of
one of these.
Yeah, glamping things already set up. Looks nice. That's quite a big tent there, and you can see that there's still plenty of room. And then here you've got a little tented area if you don't need electricity and everything. It's quite a nice spot, out of the way of everything. Quite shaded, but beside the river. And you can see where we are through the trees in the background up there. If you find yourself in this area just as you go through the town, dead opposite the campsite, just down there behind me, is an air. I can see a few vans parked up there, but there's all electricity and water down there, so why have we paid for a campsite? This is a paid parking here, but the spaces look good. Electricity service, water service, looks like you pay by euro there. There's a Freddy faced camper. So let's have a look at the prices of this then.
€4.75.
Right.
Stay overnight. And then €2 for 4 hours of electricity. And then you can pay for water and whatnot as well.
Yeah. Wi-Fi tokens there, look at that. That's cool. What a good idea. And you're on a small little river off of the Dordogne. With the town just there. Stunning. So guys, that's it. We're leaving this one and we're heading off. So guys, we're all set up. We went to a couple of campsites along the way to have a look, and to be quite fair, they were completely dead. As in, we were the only people there, so we decided we want a little bit more atmosphere than just pitching up on our own. So we've come to
Freaudour camping on Lac Saint-Pardo.
So you might remember that we came here before in the van, and we had Grandad with us and children with us. But now we're on our own, and we really liked the spot last time we came, and we didn't have the weather, to be fair. And knowing how we're set up here for the next few days weather-wise, just down the end there was that beach. So again, I'll give a little bit of a tour of the campsite a bit later. So this is 20 euros a night, plus electricity, with electricity. So 15 quid without electricity. That is good. Peak season as well.
Yep.
We like it here. And now we're going to go and get some provisions before I put some kind of food on later. Make some kind of concoctions. Don't know what we've got.
We've got sausages and chicken.
There you go. Let's go and get some pigeons. I want some cola. We don't advertise on this channel. I like the red one.
Morning. So Tony's got the breakfast going on, and this morning we are having, check this out, pancakes.
Ready mixed pancake mix. I can't wait to get tucked in there. So what makes this such a great camping hack is for the pancakes. Obviously you get the dry mix. So in the camper you have UHT milk. So here we are again, guys. Just outside of the camp gates, was just over there. But this area is absolutely stunning. I think you might have seen one of the previous videos when we was in the limousine that we came here, Lac Saint-Pardo at Camp Freaudour. As I said earlier, it's one of the cheapest campsites, especially for peak season, that I've come across, to be fair. 20 euros isn't bad at all for electricity per night. What a cracking beach. So, we made it back from the beach, and that was a lovely day, but boy, 36 degrees sitting in the sun all day. It's taken it out of me, I'm telling you. And I've come back and I've got to do the cooking yet. So I'm mumming and ahhing though, folks. I don't know whether to have bacon, chips and beans on the fryer, or do we have cold chicken salad.
Cold meats.
Yeah. This is a lovely campsite as well. I really like this one.
Yeah.
Very quiet. Massive pitches. See that there? All that. That's all our pitch as well. So quite easy. Book 47, this pitch number, and bring two of you down here.
46 is similar, isn't
46 is also the big size one, yeah. So if you ever want to come to Lac Freaudour, the campsite, at 15 euros a night, or 20 with electricity, get pitches 46 and 47. What you need to ask for in French is emplacement.
46
46.
or 47. 46, 47.
And you'll get two massive pitches. Want to point out the new addition to the sticker board as well?
A limousin.
The limousine. There you go. You're going to tell you really what?
Really hot.
Why are you hot?
Because we just did a little bike ride.
How far was that bike ride?
About a quarter of a mile. But coming back it was like this. Look what we've got for breakfast. We've got brownies.
What's in there then?
And in there is a flan. Oh,
Oh, that's small. Good. So let's have a quick look at this Outdoor Revolution awning and how it fits onto the van. So it has a magnetic attachment right at the top. It's got the normal awning rail system. It's really spacious inside. It's got little points in the corners where you can add the bedroom if you want to put a bedroom inside. It's up there in the corners as well. Yeah, it adds another space onto the camper.
Freaudour camping on Lac Saint-Pardon. Now I think I'd probably give it about 7.5 or 8 maybe out of 10. It's a lovely site, it's quiet, there's plenty to do. You've got the beach, there's the pool, there's a nice cycle path that goes all the way around the lake, which is massive. There's a little bar and there's a market 2 days a week that come and just give you some fresh produce. So that side of it's lovely. Plenty of toilets and showers, but there are 3 sets and 2 of the 3 are a bit run down. Sort of more barn style, so you get a few spiders and cobwebs and stuff like that. The pictures are a little bit wonky, but they're huge. So there's plenty of space for motorhomes or large tents. You just got to be careful which way you pitch it so your head isn't downhill. Or bring some ramps for your for your camper van. So yeah, it's a good price for the area as well. You've got lots of little villages, always worth a visit. A few brocants. You've got Dordogne, which is the martyred village from the war. About an hour or so up the road is Poitiers. You've got Futuroscope there, which is a theme park. That's a good day out. Limoges city centre is always a nice day.
So yeah, from this location, Limoges is around about 15 miles south from here, so that's pretty good. Then you've got Chateau Punsac, which is just north of here. That's a lovely little village, worth a walk around. So it's a good location to set base and then go explore a bit of the Limousin.
Yeah, all in all, well worth it.
What night is it tonight?
Good to pack up.
It means we have packed up, and now it's time to say goodbye to this campsite and head over to La Souterraine. So come along.